To use the cloud features with our cloud-enabled models, we must first register the dashcam. To register the dashcam, create an account within the Thinkware Cloud app. Once your account is confirmed, go to the Cloud page on the app screen. This page is found by pressing the middle button at the bottom of the screen, where you can see an arrow with circles surrounding it. From there, you will see Add a Network-Enabled Dashcam. To complete this, you must connect the dashcam to a personal hotspot on your smartphone. Then, upon returning to the app, you will see a pop-up notification stating Registration Complete. Once you are successfully registered, make sure that you accept all the terms of service. Now, you will see a Google Maps display with your current location and direction of travel, along with a Remote Live View button at the bottom of the page. Now, all you need to do is give your dashcam an internet connection so that you can access the cloud features. You can find this connection through another personal hotspot, an internet device that will remain powered on in the vehicle at all times, or built-in vehicle Wi-Fi that will be available when the vehicle is powered on. To add your hotspot device, go to the connection settings and add your new hotspot for the dashcam to connect to.